I know it's not only me that when we are growing up at small age, guys, any product that we hear made in China, we automatically assume that it is fake product. So I'm sure this is not only me, especially if you grew up in African countries, guys, like West Africa to be precise. You will definitely think that every China products are fake. And I'm here to tell you that that is entirely not true. Yes, there are some products that are fake and there are some products that are original, just like your country and my country too. So in my country, there are fake products, there are real products. In China too, there are fake products, there are real products. In United States too, there are fake products, there are real products. So I think it is everywhere in the world that there are fake products and there are real products. So why is China own very common? So I think that happens because we import a lot of products from China, especially if it stays in Africa. Like 90% of everything, like every product we use in Africa, are imported from China. So that is why made in China are very, very popular. Like China products are fake. It's not that in your country they don't make fake products, or in my country they don't make fake products. They make fake products everywhere. But it's because China, like we import like almost 90% of everything we use from China. That is why China own is very popular. Like made in China products are fake. So, and I'm here to tell you that it is wrong, guys, because I have buy a lot of goods from China, and I'll tell you that their quality are extreme. Like they are very, very good. And as you can see, these are some of my videos, guys. So I've bought a lot of goods from China, and I'll tell you that all these things are quality product. And why is that? Because I have the knowledge. I know what to do, what to look for, and all. Like I'm in Nigeria, guys. So I stays in Nigeria. So if I want to buy a quality product now, I know where to go to. Like for an example, now let's use a popular shop here in Nigeria as an example. So if I want to go and buy a product in Ikeja now, so if I go to Computer Village, I won't answer to all these boys calling me that, oh, boss, come, I have this, I have this. I won't answer to them because mostly all those boys, like 90% of them, sorry, 99% of them are scammers. So these people will definitely scam you and take your money. So if I want to buy a quality product from Computer Village, guys, I will go to the shop. Like shop, I will enter shop to buy from those shop because now I know that if even if anything happen, I can easily return that goods. One. And secondly, they won't even scam me because now I have their shop and all. If I just tell them that you sell fake product or anything online, it will be bad for business. So that scenario, use it in form of China now. So now let's say I buy from a supplier and the supplier send me wrong product or bad product, guys. I would definitely paint the supplier bad. And it is bad for the supplier, guys, because now I will drop a bad review and I also tell people that not to patronize the supplier because the supplier is fake. So now imagine me doing that. It is definitely bad for business. So that supplier will definitely lose a lot of customer for just that one elbow, guys. So that is just it. So there is scammers everywhere and there is good suppliers everywhere. It is just you. You are the one that needs to differentiate these things. You are the one that needs to know, oh, this is a good supplier and this is a bad supplier. So this is the supplier I can buy from and this is not the supplier I can buy from. So that is your job. So if you definitely buy any wrong product from China or any bad product from China, it is your fault and not the supplier fault. Yes, it is definitely your fault because if you check everything you have to look for, guys, when buying from a supplier, then you will definitely not get scammed. Yes, you won't get scammed, guys. And so, like now, let's just do a practical example now in this video. So I'm going to be looking for just random supplier, guys, and I will show you that like it's all these things is not really hard thing to do. So I'll use the famous 1688 that everybody uses, guys. So all these things are not hard to do. I will look for supplier that sells like quality products for you if like very fast, guys. And why will it be fast? Because I've been doing this thing for years, so I know what to look for. So ride along and let me show you what to look for so that you can start buying a quality product from China and not get scammed by all these random supplier or random people pretending to be a good supplier, guys. So now let's begin. So guys, this is on my phone now. So now let's go to 1688 guys. So this is 1688. So if you don't have 1688 app, it is very easy. Just go to Play Store to download 1688 now, because 1688 is now available on Play Store. But before you create an account, like I will link a video to it now. Like you can watch that video before you create an account, because if you just create an account like that, your account will get blocked, guys. So you need to know how to create the account the right way. So I've linked the video to this video, guys. You can see it up here, guys. So just click on it to watch on how to create a 1688 account. So now let's go to 1688, guys. So now that we are on 1688, so a lot of scammers are on this website right here. You see this website 1688, there are a lot of scammers here. So there are ways you can, like, you can't get scam on 1688. There are ways you can do it that you won't even get scam at all and you won't have any problem. So I have saved a product picture, guys, so that we use that product to find a legit supplier that actually sells that. You see that this thing will take me like less than a minute. So this is where we'll click out, guys. So this means search by image, which means like I want to search something by image, guys. So like I said, I already have the picture. So it is this ultra watch that I want to search, guys. So what do you see right here? You can see these are thousands of supplier right here. So how will we know the one to buy from? So actually mine displays in English now, because like it is a global website now. Before, everything is in Chinese, but right now like 1688 have upgraded, because they know that like 90% of their buyers are actually not from China. They are from around the world, in the United States, Canada, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, everywhere, guys. So now that we are here, guys, so one thing you should notice is that, see, this thing right here alone is enough. You can see here, yes, it's 26k sold, 300 plus sold, 1k sold. So all this thing is enough, but you can always sit down. So if you want to choose one from this supplier, of course you will choose the 26k, but that is not enough to know a good supplier, guys. So what I want you to look at is that, like, there are something we call manufacturer. So if you want to buy things like this, you will look for manufacturer. So manufacturer actually sells, because manufacturer are like, you can't actually get scam when you buy from manufacturer, because now manufacturer produce in large quantity, guys, and they sell in large quantities. In fact, they even sell to all these supplier, guys. You can see this is just an ordinary supplier, this is an ordinary supplier, this is an ordinary supplier. But if you see any sign that have this blue sign, guys, this bull sign, so this means this person is a supplier, guy, is a manufacturer, sorry. But one thing is that you can see this is not a ultra watch, guys. So let's look for a manufacturer that actually sells the ultra watch. So now let's go down, guys. Let's go down. Let's go down. Now we are here, guys. So this is a manufacturer, guys. So this manufacturer sells this thing. So you can actually buy from this supplier to avoid any headache. Because now when you buy from this supplier, let's click on the store and check. So now let's click on the store. It's loading. So as you can see here, so this is a manufacturer. So if you buy from this supplier, that means that you are going to be getting exactly what you buy, because this person, like, they own a company, they own a factory. So you can't definitely, you can never get scam, guys. So that's just it. So, and one thing you should also watch is that, you can see it is not every manufacturer though, but some, they have MOQ. You can see this MOQ is 50. So which means this supplier sells minimum of 50. So you have to buy minimum of 50 before you can buy from this supplier. But actually I can buy one from this store, but you have to watch my previous video on how to do that, guys. So I also released a video about it. So you can actually buy one from this supplier. So that's just it. So the MOQ is 50. So you have to buy 50 before you buy, guys. So, and one thing is that, so if you scroll down, so this manufacturer actually doesn't have a lot of reviews. So it is just 4 reviews. But what do you see right here? This is a 4-star, which means out of 5-star, this store have a 4-star rating, which is very, very good, guys. And what do you see here? This supplier has been active since 2022. Actually, I do tell people to buy from the like years, minimum of 4 years, guys. But if the person is a manufacturer, if the person have this blue sign, then this one doesn't really matter. The main thing is that if the supplier have this blue sign, which means the person is a manufacturer, then you can actually buy from him no matter the years or anything, guys. And one thing is that if you want to buy from this supplier, guys, don't go and chat him up. Like, don't just go and chat him up and then buy from him. No, always make an online payment. Like, what did I mean by chatting it? So by you just going to this chat section, guys, and then chatting with the supplier, telling him that I want to buy this or something, then you ask for is Alipay, then the supplier send you the is Alipay, guys. So you can actually get scam using that product. So never use that method, guys. Always buy directly, which means you just click on buy now and then you buy directly. But you can always do this if you have verified your Alipay with your international passport. But if you haven't done that, guys, just use an agent. If you use an agent, you won't have any issue. So agents is very good if you don't have an international passport to verify your account yet. So use an agent. There's nothing wrong in using an agent. But if you are like if you have an international passport, just verify your Alipay and then pay for yourself, guys. So you can see how fast I quickly find a good supplier on 1686. So it will take me like less than like 30 seconds to actually find a good supplier on 1686. Unless if the product is not a popular product, then it might be very hard for me because it is not every product you will actually see a manufacturer, guys. Like there are some product that you will hardly see a manufacturer. In fact, sef, you won't even see a manufacturer. So you have to just look for random supplier, but not just random, guys. You have to check the store rating, everything, guys, before you buy from them. So that is just how it works. So China don't sell like fake products, guys. It is you that do buy fake product from China. So China sell quality products. So don't ever think that China sell fake product or anything. So if I actually buy this thing, it will be very good because I know that this person have a good track record because before 1688 can give you this blue sign, then that means you have sold a lot of product on their website, guys. So that's just how it works, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below, guys, and I'll answer you. So thank you for watching. See you next time.